Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple and effective way to disable camera permission on the Instagram app when using it on your PC, especially if you're working with the latest update. Managing your privacy is crucial, and controlling app permissions is a great step toward that. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on the main page, look toward the top right corner. You'll see 3 dots arranged vertically. This is the menu icon. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select App Info. This option will take you directly to the app's settings page where you can manage various permissions and preferences related to Instagram. Once you're in the App Info section, look for the Settings option and enter it. Here, you'll find a list of permissions that Instagram has access to on your PC. Scroll through the list until you find the camera permission. Now simply toggle the camera permission off. Disabling this will prevent Instagram from accessing your PC's camera, ensuring that the app cannot use it without your explicit permission. This is particularly useful if you want to maintain your privacy, or if you don't use Instagram's camera features often. After turning off the camera permission, you can exit the settings. The change takes effect immediately, so Instagram will no longer have access to your camera until you decide to enable it again. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully disabled the camera permission on the Instagram app on your PC with the new update. This quick tweak helps keep your privacy intact while still allowing you to enjoy all the other features Instagram offers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check your app permissions regularly to stay in control of your digital privacy. See you next time.